Whether you realize it or not, dating is like a mental chess game. And some people play to win, not to love. If you don't know the rules, you're just a pawn on their board. So today I'll break down 6 psychological tactics used in dating that most people never see coming until it's too late. Number 1. The compliment crash, also known as the high drop. This one starts like a fairy tale. You're showered with attention, compliments, sweet messages at all hours. It feels amazing, like you're the center of someone's universe. But then, silence. No calls, no replies. The drop is sudden and it leaves you craving that high again. That's no accident. It's a calculated move to make you chase them. Why it works? Your brain links that person with dopamine, the feel-good chemical. When they vanish, your mind panics. You start trying harder to get them back, even if they're the one being inconsistent. Classic manipulation. Oh, how to defend. Pay attention to patterns. If someone's hot one day and cold the next, you're not crazy. You're being played. Number 2. Emotional future painting. They talk about the future like it's already written. We'll travel the world together. I can see us living in a beach house. You're the one I want to marry. You fall for the picture. But it's just smoke and mirrors. There's no real plan. Just words. The trick, they sell you a fantasy so you'll emotionally invest now. But they never bought a ticket to the dream. Flip the script. If someone talks about the future too soon, ask how. If they can't answer, the only future they see is your emotional investment, not an actual commitment. Number 3, the Franklin favor flip. Here's a weird truth. People tend to like you more when they do you a favor, not the other way around. So when someone asks you for small help, like borrowing your charger or help with a project, don't automatically think they're into you. They might be using reverse psychology to get close. Level it up. Start noticing how favors escalate. If they keep asking you for more, but don't give back, you're not bonding, you're being used. Number 4, the nice insult, also known as the subtle jab. You're surprisingly smart for someone who watches reality shows. That dress is so brave of you to wear. Sound familiar? This is nagging, where someone compliments you with a twist of doubt. It gets under your skin, makes you second-guess yourself and crave their approval. Why it works? It hits your insecurity just enough to pull you closer to them for validation. But don't fall for it. If someone can't lift you up without pushing you down, they're not flirting, they're controlling. Number 5, jealousy jabs, also called triangulation. Suddenly they start mentioning other people they're just talking to, or they flirt with someone right in front of you. This is a psychological play to trigger competition and insecurity. You think, if I don't act now, I'll lose them. They want your panic, your effort, your attention, all increased by a fear of being replaced. Your move, walk away. If they need to trigger jealousy to feel wanted, they don't deserve your energy. Number 6, the power of touch, known as kino-escalation. Touch releases chemicals in the brain that create comfort, trust, and attraction. Smart people use that subtly. A touch on the hand when you laugh, a light tap on the shoulder during a joke. It all adds up. But here's the deal. Real attraction doesn't need to be forced. If someone's always testing your boundaries physically, they're not creating a bond, they're experimenting with control. Final thought. Knowing these tactics doesn't mean you should play people. It means you should protect your heart and your mind. Dating should feel exciting, not confusing, clear, not manipulative. Remember, real connection doesn't need games. If this helped you spot the hidden games in dating, let me know. And stay sharp out there. Love smart.